Hey guys, 7 kg nacho. Today, instead of using the regular tortilla chips, okay, we are using the extra spicy mala chips from Golden Duck. Apparently, these are super spicy. It's spicy, but it's so good. The really spicy one, the level 8 one, those are really spicy. But the mild ones are perfect. That freaking burrito inside. Oh yeah. Really, the mala chip is really holding on. They're not getting soggy. Oh, wow.
Awesomeness.
Oh, it's refreshing. Last bite. Hey guys, we're done. 7 kg nachos. This was good, but also at the same time, my tongue is numbing and like burning. If you guys want to challenge yourself, go and try their chips out. It's not just pain, there's a lot of flavor as well. But anyways, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one.